How to change Facebook photo privacy settings. So if you want to change your Facebook photo privacy settings, then first of all you need to open up your Facebook application, and now you can go for the upper right corner which has that three-barred icon, and then you can go for your profile and simply scroll down, and here you will have all of your photos, right? So if you want to edit the privacy of the photo or the post, then what you can do is you can simply choose a photo that you would like to edit the privacy, and after choosing, now you can go for the upper right corner of that photo which has that three dots icon, and then simply go for edit post privacy, and here you will have a bunch of options. You can go for only me if you want to change that, or you can also choose friends accept, and then you can choose a bunch of friends, or you can also choose your Facebook friends and you can choose public. So for now I'll be choosing only me, and then go back, and that's it. That's how you edit the privacy of your Facebook photo. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.